So yeah, guys, I'm with the uncle. Uncle, आपने तो किकोई माला आज़े या?
किकोई माला आज़े.
Oh, अच्छा अच्छा.
honey la box बना है.
Honey box ना? Oh, अच्छा अच्छा.
मजूद परसिमन लगा बोल.
Oh. मैं आगे दे, वो तो तक चाहिए तो.
वीडियो ना हो.
Oh.
वीडियो हो.
So, uncle के बिस्सी thanks. ताइवा मुझे help कराने. Sorry, ताकि place करो. Uncle आपने तो Baptist ना revival आज़े या? ना Catholic.
अभी क्या revival दा है?
Revival दे रहा. Oh, अच्छा अच्छा.
हेलो अभी मुझसे ना ताकि.
Oh, कोई मदे ना? Oh, अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. नाम दो या तो बुस्ती ऐसे वाले भी. Oh. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. ताजे जैसे तो मनु तो लोग बोला ना अंकल. किन्हीं का उसे मनु का सेना ना मुझे कौन ना जाने. Oh. ना जाए ना मुझे. अच्छा अच्छा. फिर तो रास्ता भी आइसी मुझे किधर है भी नहीं तो रास्ता भी उठो जंगल जंगल है तो. जो गला था कि बोला. So so this is like there's no way up. Move away, uncle, Ruki. So I'll go with him. So just keep things here. Yeah, I think he's trying to talk with somebody. He just willingly helped me. Okay, I just asked him the direction and he just stopped his car and he's like ready to help me, or else I don't want to give trouble to him also, since he came for some other work, and yeah, I don't want to be a troublemaker. So our uncle, he stays in Kohima only, but he works sometimes like here in the village, since it's quite near from Kohima. So 이거 보내서 uncle. 이거 보내서 저가도 나. 저거도 이거 쓰는 게 라사도 사고. 이따가 게를 더리죠. 아마 근데 뭐 본직은 나 본직은 자시오. 이거 여자 해들이 만도 나비야. 그래도 그래도. 뛰자고. आपने क्या दिखता है ऐसा रो यूरो अभी मैं नागातन पर सामने बिशी कुशी बा है ना माने मिसना शिकार भी ना करे है मैं जहाँ है ना अंकल आपने वाला बुस्ती तो कि कोई मातो किमान दिरी इंजना हो जिसो साल तो बुस्ती तो होई ना itu tuh kau nak pergi tu one of the oldest village कि कोई मातो या तो बस पे गुरा लाबिश है तो कि कोई माबा मर्जी गुरा लाबिश है that means to 100 years par हो जिना कि ना तो अच्छा 100 years के पार रास्ता तो न जाने की होता है वो तो इतना ऊपर एक अंकल लोग बात हो या यदि फले जाएगी ना और सीधा है ना और ना जाएगी शो मूवी कि ना नहीं रास्ता तो मूवी आज ही फर्स्ट टाइम आया थे दुकान सोर को नो हदी बनी सब लगे कौन भी ना था कि मुझे ना जो अंकल कोर्स आ तो हाँ so uncle is helping me with sacrificing his own time, and he was also telling me that he loved this kind of adventure. So yeah, thankful to him. I think I'm carrying water, so it's okay. We'll drink water together. Anywhere you go in Nagaland, do not be scared, do not be afraid. There's always a people that will really love to help you in every situation, whether you're lost or not. People will try to help you. So just you need to do is ask them, you know, that you're lost or you're confused or you don't know the road. You just need to ask them. That's it, and they will really help you, like I just did here today. I asked one of the uncle here. He just stopped his car, he took out his things and just left there, and he's ready to drop me, and he's ready to search for me the road. So I'm really thankful. Even if we don't find the road, it's okay, I don't mind, since I tried. Even uncle was telling that he's not from he don't stay in the village, he stay in Kohima, so he also have less idea where this road takes to that place. So yeah, that's the thing. But anyway, while coming up here also I saw something. Look at this tree, exact heart shape was there. So beautiful na. See, so guys, our uncle is also married with our lady, so she is from my village only. And also, if you're watching Giri, if you're watching our uncle here, he knows you. So yeah, so yeah, guys, we're finding our way. So uncle is going to ask somebody, it seems. I was just telling him that it's okay, you can go and I'll just find my way. But he says like, I love traveling and I love adventure, so let me also join you. He was saying like that, so I don't mind. If somebody wants to join me, then yeah, what's no big problem there, right? Here, I think somewhere here. We're going up to here. So yeah, guys, uncle agari to do. So talk with him. He's also an adventure lover. Guys, I've never seen such a wonderful person. I really think that uncle, who's selflessly even leaving his work, murgi help grow natai man mundina sede. Sab bisari ase opora guri gna mujina already nichidai jishi. So na tai kude start kuchi dai jishi. So my gani man sacrifice kora do mui man guilty feel grasi, but at the same time it's not me who I want him to come with me, but it's him willingly. He's really willingly try to help me, okay? So please don't get me wrong. So yeah, sorry that bless Kruwa. I pray that uncle will live a long life, good health, and bless his family also, and everything that he do, may God bless him. Already busti, give me busti, and give me thanks for having such a wonderful man like him. Yeah. So Kiwi, if you're watching, this uncle knows you well, it seems. So yeah, what a coincidence, what a day it is. I asked one or two people actually, but they're also very not sure about the road. So the house up there, people does not go much there, it seems. So yeah, people have less idea regarding the road, regarding the direction up to that place. I can see from here also, it's up there. So I can see the roof, and yeah, hopefully that I'll find a way up there and I'll come back safely. So this is where I started earlier. So yeah, because of that I didn't show you the way, but itu patkai patkai rasta luo holiwi patkai college to off le jawa rifle le nai wa idu hornbill da rasta phale leti phale wo nam di avi homestay na tabi dikho pare amna na idu khori dikho. So yeah, today there's a uncle I has a lot of agent money gotina. So let's see where we will go. Thank you there, bro. Thank you so much. Apni to idilas na pustila na. Oh, okay. Apni log pada bishi palo je. Okay, thank you so much there. तो अंकल हो जाओ नोए तो टेंग बार जाओ ले बारो गले दी जाई दो मैं ए कोने तो तेबे ये मेरा खेती दे ये होला मिन जाने बड़ा अभी मजा सलाम ना हां तो आज तो मुझे एडवेंचर ग्रो है फोटो लेनी ना पड़े लेकिन साथ उतरनी है कौन. Okay, so we're heading up again, one from here, and which you have to park your car and you have to climb. So uncle is like an adventure guy. He really loves adventure, it seems. So I'm really blessed to meet him today. So it's like a hitchhiking today. Kifisa sector ne na. Oh, so this is uncle's land. Tala mati jido. Tala greenhouse. Or the honeybee. Kyo grase uncle. So yeah, nice yeah. So we are going to the same road again. Oh. So guys, today is totally adventure. I thought of hiking, but also yeah, so nice. But we'll be hiking after some time. We have to park our car here and then we have to climb. So yeah, excited. Uncle, thank you so much there.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. আপনি কি কোন দিকটা ঠিক আছে তো আপনি কি আই এম দি লক বাই দেব মই
ঠিক আছে
দে আঙ্কেল তো ও বেজো থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ তো yeah guys I think this is the way that I have to climb. It seems like these days many people doesn't climb to this place, it seems, and that is the reason why the road is like this. But yeah, I'm excited to go up finally. It seems there might be also some people up there. That's what our uncle said. So yeah, if there's somebody up there, and that will be so good again. But if not, also it's okay, no problem. I'll just go and spend a few time out there, and I'll come back. That's it. Okay, so there's two way. One is this one. One is this one. I think I'll climb this one. I'll take this road. Before that, let me put my water. This is totally adventure. So jungle. Anyway, I'll see you in a while. So there's something like this. Jiria nole kiba anim muriala. Kiase. Idivika likhina da silvi. John 14:6 likhina de. All right. So I've never been here, not even once in my life. So this will be the first time I'm climbing up to this place. Excited, at the same time a little confused whether am I also still taking the right way or not. I'm not yet sure. The view is getting better and better. I can see the whole Gigwima village from here. Wow, I can see the ground, Gigwima ground. Here again, Ezekiel 18:32. So the time update 1:06 is already in the afternoon. While animal can be takhina ge de kiwan dikhe ju moi paikhana gan. Woo! Olivi overall charge too much stiff. I'm pretty sure a few kilograms are going to be burned down today. But Namiam did easy with this. Manambi I had a hinigi. Talap lak already here. Okay. Wow. It's getting better and better. The view is getting clearer and clearer. Wow. So nice, yeah. Pani durse. Pani khawa. Buyo pani khawa buyo na jazu moi. Pani kildo. You jaga to sleep. Pero na pa. Hinaze. Shisti fazde. Over ni chede. So hinaze. Already bidori jawa. Next time, aji ke takal di gushi moi. Diki asu do. Jino be na. Kitebi trekking na jabi. Ajalo galdi gushi moi. Jin bench lagana hai. Sabi lo galdi gushi. Do paido stretch kona par jana. So stiff. So that is the highway that I took. Aro 또 중간에 니치 fel에 꼬마 자가 됐으면 라스코티 앞시우 자즈데 하로 티와 아스탄히 나야지 so be something like this the road muda diwashi anyway let us climb more let's explore it's like a urban explorer now I feel like an urban explorer already difficult looking I'm bujile what's going on CYACRC pesama so guys and I'm standing here and look at this wow over very steep road especially the butler bricks but I thank God I could be able to climb go by the second thanks challenge to Dangor at the same time it's really adventure kuri ta na paraji khara golena to idura kuri ta durishe kana onia je moi bluetooth speaker re na uthia je it's so exciting yeah and so nice so peaceful you cannot hear anyone's voice just highway de gari birala awaz onia that's it anyway yeah just here only and I'll climb up there and I'll talk with all of you all right so I'm standing here in this rock and look at this beautiful tree and this rock up here so let's see YouTube mode I'm reaching into a surface of a plain surface up here so yeah it's a plain surface that and that is this one dewi oro opor oh my god oh my look at this wow there's this look at this guys whoa that is gig with my village so beautiful yeah tadi view point ta je tadi ko bana na jaro it is the moi ko do बढ़िया से टिके देसी ये लो दूर जाओ देखो दूर थे लगे वो I don't know so tired हो so nice जगह तो सुंदर है ली look at these mountains how do this ऊपर इसने ऊपर जा itu rasta bar jauh lazini I don't know yeah kalau brace ko ni aram brace ko thiu ta time update 1:27 actually I'm here only nearby I will climb I'll drink water so I was sitting here edi bui dei che aur da ro opor jawa sorry next mountain area yeah to base ja already relax karo chalo aram base so it's time to move on again yeah so I'll see you aur bidore lo paude apnyenge moi diwa je I came from here so dei diwa Philippine 316 Philippines isn't it Philippine 316 so yeah Just imagine, yeah. Mando ajikali na biraze, but during the time of Jesus, tando mountain bra, ekta mountain there. Or especially in the early morning, the Bible says that Jesus used to climb up in the mountains, you know, to go and pray. Wow, Julia. Whoa, water. He didn't fly with a supernatural power, nor he didn't ask the help of the angels to take him to that mountain, but he walked like me, he walked like you. Two paina climb gonna dewi, jagina break way. So yeah, Mondo na jagili ulo birali complain di chik way. Okay, sorry. Animals, wild animals lah, I cannot poop. So that means wild animals come in. We have to be very careful. We like lice. But it didn't grow like it does. Oh, who's not grow like what? Say, the pata offers in the killer pata. I need it done. So, we go the hell out of the passenger the top there's mountain there. So, the passenger room, the kid. So, last time we Kini Lahore, my friend Kini Lahore Jande, Kini Mule Lahore Jadamde. I saw it and I asked my friend, you know, like Kinaga, do as he said that it's in the top of the mountain. Mountain there, see? I wrote present there to Korean Gray. I do the corner, sure to Takina. Korean gradually. The Mandar Kumba got a little Kumba to the Hego. So, yeah. The new way there, Javide. And I started to do that in the Ray movie, I started in it. With the hill in a way. Do we have to Angora? The Kajarane Angle keeps it things today. By the vlog to not over, but I lay 5 chance for me. Talapachangumba, Saishulu. She thanks to Laboga. We get help, Kushi. I started the Kaja Tuesday. Presenter. Ah, Mundina Banaji, the jungle Bidure. Kundi Banaji. Mundina Banaji, Stigo. How? It's not a plain walk, Raze. I'm reminded of going to Ziku Valley while I'm walking here. Jagaduna Lasune. Bidore Jaze. Kitevi Naya Jagata Jagada. So, whoo. Nice. Woo! Animals can be out the Biranegi, Jagane. And as I started, or Jangalia, don't stop. Kubine. So, if you love exploring, there are so many beautiful places here, even in Kohima itself. Kohima Bidori, Jaga unexplored Jaga Bishi, Dewi, 14 in the Buvi, Fonduruvi, and get out of your bed. Wow, get out of your bed from your sitting room, from your phones, holding your phone and sitting at home. It's not very healthy. Biravi, explore Gruvi, Jagan Savi. Muram de Jakasawa Muram Jitido Kikuro. Wow, itu Casto Mondor. Thanks to this tree for giving shade, monkey shade. There are gonna be so many pleasures of nature, Lodina. We get pleasure from nature. But we just don't have to play with nature. Nature does tamani nugulay. The bottom right there. Go like that. Go. Wow. What do we? पानी सुकिन आज पुंजिना खदा गो थात पिखाए. So finally I've reached, I think this is the kitchen. The kitchen is the cross pick does it. So but the old my rasta to Victoria, the jungle Victoria. So I feel like this is the kitchen. Maybe actually though. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Wow, so beautiful, yeah. See. Gigwe ma busti pura dikhe de, mi matak bhi dikhe de. Aro chakha matak bhi dikhe de. So nice, yeah. Wow. Visima bhi dikhe de. Chakha ma visima. Khoza ma hi nahi dikhe. So this is the place. Hidiki wa kiwi likhina bhi aise manan. Namgan. Fire Breath 2023. Dewi buina chill go parwa. The video to lamba ho de ajila. Pyar na pavi. Kholobi kwanjina. It's really worth coming up to this place. Wow. So nice. So pure jais ho ja. Hey. So I'm told this is a prayer center. But I wonder why people choose to make prayer center here. Prayer center to kill it panawale try kurse. No bujhego. Nobody is inside. This is the door. Prayer center la dorja de ase. Aro didi rasta ek to jaase. Aro doze prayer center to ina ase. So nice. Really combine. I thought at least one person to agent to the Hune by let. I know Kota Guina down the Puina. Jonagi Panoje. But since there's nobody, I'll stay here 1 minute, 2 minutes. I'll pray here and I'll go back. Where there is to pray on Jajaway. Since it's a prayer center. But Zagado, too good here. How Pishimaria. Top there's not. Hawa maro bale ji mo to gorro maze mo to program. I think that's a PSF road PSF camera rasta does nahi choba chala hu da chakaba ma rasta does nahi. So it was a really tough hiking for me today once again. So guys, yeah, I will end my vlog from here today in this beautiful place. So apni ambi ayole manjale to please hike to this place and come and have a time with your friends. And yeah, in this beautiful view, in this beautiful place, I will end my vlog. Thank you so much for watching till the end. So yeah, please next time if you come, take Rasta Lina heavy munishina, Rastana Jina Guri Grina. Last day but it was really adventure for me. Mudari na gushibai, so I don't mind. So yeah. Thank you so much once again. Aro morom guragi muge. Aro mui hotai guanjina. Let's get this channel monetized very soon. Within no time, mola watch our assistant the moron barabnyan video to skip no. First one last talk side nana mola watch our low taina mola channel monetize kuri. So yeah, with this I wanna end my vlog. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, everyone, take care, be in a good health, and do what you love. Till then, bye bye, and bye bye.
Don't think I've ever seen you this up close before. Every brushstroke so flawed together makes the whole.